Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Scholarships Corner. Hope you are all well. So in this video we'll talk about American University offering scholarships to international students without IELTS and GRE. So before the detail, if you are new to this channel, don't forget subscribe my channel for more best opportunities like fully funded scholarships, free online courses, internships and more informative videos. American University offering scholarship to international students without IELTS and GRE. There are plenty of full scholarship for international students in USA like Coca-Cola Scholars Program, Bill Gates Scholarships, Google Scholarships, American University Scholarships and much more. Study in the United States is dreamed for everyone. The top rated US universities are accepting application for their fall and spring admission without GRE and other languages tests. But now, all language test requirements are waived. New full scholarships for international students in the USA are now open. All the list of USA scholarships are given below. All the undergraduate, master, doctoral candidates can apply for the USA scholarships. So list of American university offering scholarships to international students. These are full scholarship in USA for international students who want to pursue bachelor, master or PhD degree. The first is University of Hawaii Scholarship 2021 and this scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. The University of Hawaii Scholarship are designed to study fully funded graduate degree scholarship from the ADP Japan Scholarship Program. This scholarship for USA citizens as well as for international students to study in the United States at University of Hawaii. The scholarship program is supported by the Asian Development Bank which annually enroll 300 students to study full-time master degree program or doctoral degree program. For more information visit here. Coca-Cola Scholarships Program. The Coca-Cola Scholars Foundation supports more than 1400 exceptional college students each year. Coca-Cola Scholarships Program. The Coca-Cola Scholars Foundation supports more than 1400 exceptional college students each year. The Coca-Cola Scholars Program scholarship is an achievement-based scholarship award to graduating high school senior. Applications are open and you can apply. For more information visit here. Bill Gates Scholarship in USA. Bill Gates announced 300 Bill Gates Scholarship in United States. All the expenses covered the Bill Gates Scholarships for international students in USA. The Gates Scholarship is open to apply now in study in United States universities. The Gates Scholarship is highly selective full scholarships to study in the United States. For more information visit here. Google Scholarship 2020. Google is now offering 1 lakh Google Scholarship 2020. 1 lakh scholarship offered by Google in the wake of the COVID-19 current spike to unemployment caused by the ongoing global pandemic. Google said that these online certification courses are taught by Google employees and will not require any previous college degree or any experience. For more information visit here. Stanford University Scholarships in USA. The Knight Hansen Scholarship Program 2021 is one of the biggest university scholarship programs. The Knight Hansen Stanford University Scholarship offers 100 fully funded scholarships for international students, scholarships for PhD students in USA, scholarship for master students in USA as well as US citizens to study master, PhD, MS, MBA, MFA, MD joint degrees at Stanford University which is the leading university of the world. Applications are open now. For more information visit here. American University Global Scholarships. American University Emerging Global Leader Scholarship 2021. The American University Scholarship for undergraduate students and for master students to undertake full-time bachelor degree and master degree. You can also apply for the American University Online Scholarship Program, but note that the American University Distance Learning Scholarship is only to undertake a master degree program. For more information about American University Scholarship for international students visit here. Clark University Global Scholarships. Clark Global Scholarship for undergraduate students. Clark University is a private research university. All the international students can apply for the Clark University Scholarship to study full 4-year undergraduate degree program. You can study any field offered at Clark University. For more information visit here. So if we talk about list of United States university you can apply without IELTS and GRE. Here are the name of the university as well as their links in which you want to apply. You can also see more here. So why study in the United States? The American University offering scholarships to international students are fully funded scholarships. Therefore, you have an opportunity to get the fully benefits from scholarship for international students in USA. If you want to apply in these scholarships, click on the link below the description. See you with the new video. Allah Hafiz.